Screenies, bringing indoor living to the great outdoors. Screenies is a patented fixed screen system that features an aluminum base and a vinyl cap, which are snapped together and attached to your screen porch. Screenies can be installed on the inside, outside, or center of your porch post and rail design. Screenies is available in white, sand, and bronze in 8 and 12-foot lengths and can cover openings up to 150 square feet. The innovative Screenies design is stronger and more durable than ordinary screen systems. The Screenies system helps maintain the screen's integrity, even under the most strenuous conditions. We placed a 67-pound bucket on the screen for 21 days, then removed. After 72 hours, the screen remained secure in the system with no adjustment needed. Installing Screenies is very easy. Let's take a look. First, here are the parts and tools you will need: screw gun, aluminum base, vinyl cap, our recommended screens, 10-inch miter saw, plastic mallet, razor knife, and measuring tape. Once you have your tools laid out, you will need to determine the type of application and prepare the surface. Uniform surface on all sides is necessary. The corner or interior face of your columns may be used as either a corner mount or flush mount. We'll show the corner mount. Let's take a look at the channel and cap. The base channel is 3/4 by 3/4 extruded T5 aluminum with polyester paint. The cap is approximately 3/8 by 1/2 and is made from high-grade PVC with UV protection. When measuring and cutting, measure the opening and cut at a 45-degree angle for flush or corner mount. Find the center of each piece, then mark for screw location, approximately 10 to 12 inches off and including center. Always screw at 2 inches from either end of the cut pieces. Installing the channel. Place cut pieces in opening. Make sure corners are true. Secure aluminum base channel to porch framing with supplied screws. Carefully remove vinyl cap off the aluminum base using a small pry bar. Just pry loose one end of the cap and then peel it back. Once you have removed the caps, it's time to install the screen. Hold the Screenies fabric to the top and make sure it is square with the opening. About 2 inches of overlay is fine. Then attach screen to the top aluminum base channel by pressing the vinyl cap onto the corner. Secure the first 2 to 3 inches of each top corner by seating the vinyl cap to the aluminum base with a rubber hammer. Then proceed to the center and work right, then left. Now do the same steps for the bottom of the opening. Once the bottom is secure, then proceed to do the exact same steps for the right and left side. Once the screen is completely secure, use a razor knife to trim the excess screen. Now you are ready to enjoy your beautiful screened porch for years to come. Screenies, bringing indoor living to the great outdoors.